Narinig mo na ba yung okay lang yan, good debt naman yan? Here's the brutal truth, hindi good debt ang utang kung hindi mo maintindihan ang cash flow mo. That's just future stress. Good debt is a myth for most Filipinos. If you're not a businessman or wala kang predictable passive income, that's not an investment. Ang good debt kuno nagiging bad debt kapag ang kinikita mo ay hindi na sapat para bayaran ang principal plus interest. Kapag kinakain na ang emergency fund mo, that's not good. That's gone. Bago mangutang, tanungin mo muna ang sarili mo kung kaya mong bayaran to without sacrificing your peace of mind. Kung hindi, then that's not good. That's just another burden. Stop falling for financial fictions. Build your wealth and don't borrow from it. Follow for more brutal truths about your money and be honest.